everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. When it comes to making some nice hot and crispy snacks at home, I think the most easiest would be pakoras. And we all love those nice crunchy crispy pakoras, and today I'm going to share a very quick and easy and delicious recipe. We're going to make some nice Aloo Pyaz Pakoras, that is potato onion pakoras or fritters. Now these can be perfect for an evening tea time snack or for a game night or a movie night. So why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. So for this recipe I've taken 3 medium-sized potatoes. Just wash them nice and clean, peel off the skin and grate it with a large grater. After you've grated the potatoes, just drop them in water and wash it nicely to remove all the excess starch. So we're just going to wash it a few times. So you can see the grated potato is nice and clean. I've washed it nicely. Remove all the excess water from the grated potato and keep it in another bowl. So to a large bowl, add the grated potatoes. So now we're going to make the mixture for the pakoras. So for this recipe I've taken 1 large onion, just slicing it nice and thin. I've taken 2 medium-sized green chilies and chopped it nice and fine. Add the chopped ginger, add the chopped curry leaves, it's about a teaspoon. Next add the finely chopped coriander leaves. So just mixing everything together. So if you'd like it nice and spicy, you can add more green chilies. So now I'm going to add all the spice powder, starting with half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder, half teaspoon Amchur powder. Now Amchur is optional. If you don't have, don't worry about it. 1 teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon hing and half teaspoon Ajwain. So after adding all the spice powders, mix everything together. Just mix everything, make sure it's all mixed nicely along with the spices. So now we're going to add quarter cup of Maida, that is all-purpose flour. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon Besan, that is gram flour, and 1 tablespoon rice flour. Once you've added the corn flour, Maida, Besan and rice flour, just mix everything. So I'm not adding too much of flour, because if you add too much of flour, you're not going to get crispy pakoras. It's going to become more like a bhaji consistency. So make sure you add it according to the quantity of potatoes and onions that you're taking. So this is your pakora mixture. This is ready. To make the pakoras, take a nice deep and wide kadai. Pour enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is nice and hot, take a little bit of the pakora mixture and gently drop it into the hot oil. Deep fry them on medium flame till they are a nice golden brown color. Remove from the hot oil and serve it nice and hot immediately. Here are these crispy and crunchy Aloo Pyaz Pakoras. Make sure you serve them nice and hot. I've garnished it with some fried curry leaves and green chilies, and I'm also serving them with some nice mint chutney and tomato ketchup by the side. So you can see we've made these simple and delicious Aloo Pyaz Pakoras in a jiffy. You can enjoy this as is, nice and hot and crispy with some nice mint chutney or with some sauce by the side. So do try the recipe and enjoy.